welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open eggs.
More surprise egg, right? The capsule eggs, whatever eggs.
I got My Little Pony, got Hello Kitty, we got dragons, we got Batman. Let's open My Little Pony first. There's nothing in the back, just boring pony. No, I mean boring paper. These ones are so easy to open.
I love purple. I like the capsule.
I don't
actually.
like purple. I only like pink and light blue.
Candy, just
Yes,
put it
we're
aside.
we're not gonna eat it.
Save it for your classmates.
So much stickers.
A lot of
There's so much stickers. We got this is a sticker. These are stickers. We also got
the whole egg is full of stickers, right? You want to stick it on
also got
face?
glittery stickers.
Yeah, that's your favorite.
Oh, we got some normal stickers too. Oh my god! These are all about stickers! I have a lot of stickers! Give me that ribbon sticker thing. I have to put it in there. I love these glitter stickers. So cool.
You can put one on the face or your friend's face.
Yeah, but I'm not going to put it. I can put it on, but I cannot. I'm not going to put it. But I'm not going to put it on my face. I can put it on, but I'm not going to put it on. Because I'm not. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not going to put it on. Does this make any sense?
Yeah. So anyway, you won't put it on.
Yeah, I'm not going to put it on.
Will you put it on my camera?
Why?
Or just us?
Let's open the next one. I just kidding. We're not going to try this candy. I already know what flavor it is. It's too much and it's going to last for years. It's not going to last for any 1 day or 2 days. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Gonna smash Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open more eggs with more stickers in there.
What's this?
Hello Kitty.
You love Hello Kitty or you don't like it?
I don't watch Hello Kitty, but my water bottle is Hello Kitty, so that means I like Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
What's that? More sticker?
What is this? What?
What's that? Some kind of toy to make sounds. No sticker?
Yes, sticker. But only one sticker. More candy with only purple and white. It's different than the My Little Pony. This is a sticker we only got. One Hello Kitty sticker.
Can I have it close?
The Hello Kitty, the My Little Pony eggs was the worthest one. Worth it. Because I love stickers.
Yeah, I
And
know you
they
love
got
sticker.
me 2 pieces.
And your classmate Maya, I mean your schoolmate Maya also loves sticker, right?
She's not my class. She's
Schoolmate.
not my class.
Yeah, your
Yep.
schoolmate.
If she's in your school but she's not in your class, or he or she,
Your
if
schoolmate.
or he or she is not from your class, you say a schoolmate. If he or she is from your class, you say classmate. So what is this?
And he or she living with you is a dormmate.
I think you count with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, maybe.
What do you do with this though?
I don't know.
Comment down below if you know what's this. Do you roll with it? Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open 2 more eggs, but we're gonna just open 1. So let's open dragons.
Do you watch that movie?
Yes, in school. Yes, when I was K3, but not anymore. Because I'm now P1. I have homework to do. I just already do all my homework.
Yeah, you finished all your homework already today. So
yeah,
and more sticker.
I got yo-yo.
Well, I guess we have yo-yo before, but we.
Why they put the tape on?
But I forgot which one.
Tape.
More candy.
And we only got one sticker again. Why?
You know how to play yo-yo?
Maybe. Have to stand up for this. But I have white pants, okay? Don't mind me. Let me take the tape off. I'm gonna break everything, so I have to go more sideways, okay? This is not gonna be good, because I'm talking standing up on the couch as my leg is figuring, because I never stand up in a video and stepped off to sister channel. Wait, what? It hit the ceiling.
It doesn't matter.
But didn't hit the light. Okay, you helped me put it back. And we got only one sticker. And then we just hit the ceiling. And I think it broke.
Well, it doesn't matter. I'll try to fix it later.
Where's the other half then? There's no other half. I don't think there's an... Oh, yeah, it's broke. Yeah. Sorry. I broke that.
Yeah, let me try to fix it then.
Let's put the sticker in it. Oh my gosh, I'm so not.
No, you really broke it. You see?
Yeah.
You see, it's broken. And we have to throw it away anyway.
I hit in the ceiling.
Yeah, or maybe we can try to use some super glue.
They glue it back.
But I think it's still difficult anyway.
Yeah. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye, yo-yo fans. Hi guys, welcome to the last channel. Today we're going to open the last channel.
The last channel or the last video, you mean?
No. Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open the last egg.
What's that, eh?
Please.
Is what?
Batman.
You like Batman?
Please have 2 stickers. I really appreciate it. If you don't have 2 stickers, I'm going to bow. I'm going to kill that. I'm going to put a thumbs down on the Batman video. If you don't be 2 stickers. But I'm not going to thumbs down the Batman video. Because I've never watched Batman before, and I don't know how good it is, so I'm not going to put a thumbs down on this video. Yep, it's only 1 sticker. We got a mini finger skateboard. We got this. We got mini finger skateboard.
Can we see the fire or the sticker?
Yeah. It's Marvel sticker. The sticker's more bigger than my hand. Let's put it in the sticker zone. But only 1/8 of the Rainbow Dash eggs has the My Little Pony eggs has the glittery sticker. This is the longest sticker I've ever seen before.
Okay, I guess it's time. Mommy called and we need to go out for dinner.
Yeah, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Good.